Good morning, everybody. In Universal Human Values, today's topic is understanding human being as a coexistence of the sentient I and the material body. Myself, Dr. S. Jyoti Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, R.M.K College of Engineering and Technology. Today, I'm going to start with a story. Miss Julia was stuck in between a forest with her vehicle. She was struggling near the forest because she could not find any human being near that region. As her vehicle got punctured, there was no one to rescue her. She was in fear and she did not come out of the car. By sitting inside the car, she was peeping outside to find anyone. On the way, at that time, Mr. Anderson came near that region and could find a car standing there. So he came near to Julia and asked the reason. She told the reason that her vehicle got punctured, but she was very frightened. She could not come outside the car. Just- And the son also said her to stay inside the car, and he changed the stepney of the car. And Julia was very, very happy that she got rescued, and she thought of giving Anderson some money. But Mr. Henderson did not receive that money. He asked her to keep it with her, and any other time if she wanted to help somebody else, he told that she could remind his name when she tries to help anybody. So Julia was very happy and she took her vehicle and flew away. On the way, she was very hungry and she could not find any hotels nearby. After passing some time, she could find a restaurant on the side, and she entered and she could see a pregnant lady standing there. She wholeheartedly welcomed Julia and served her with all the fresh dishes she had. She was a pregnant lady, and Julia was very hungry, ate everything, and she was happy. And she paid the bill, and not only paid the bill, she paid her with extra money. On the other hand, she said that at that time I am remembering Anderson and I am remembering his deed, what he did, and I am giving this money on his behalf by keeping him in mind, what the help he has given to me. So, on the other hand, that pregnant lady was also very happy. She was struggling for money, but she could find more money. She took everything, went home, and met his husband and told, like, we were struggling for a longer period of time, but now I have got the money, and I'm so happy with this. We can go on for admission in the hospital. And she said that she met Julia. She only gave the money, and she also said that she remembered a person who helped her in the mid of the forest. By hearing that, her husband also felt really happy that he could understood he is none other than Anderson, and whatever is given will be received back. So by the end of the story, what I want to tell you children is that whatever good deed or gratefulness or gratitude at any time, whatever we give, we get it back. So we only need this gratitude or trust or gratefulness or thankfulness which is required for the soul always. The things which is required for the body is not a permanent one. Whatever is required for the soul will be the permanent one. See, some activity questions. When was the last time you helped someone? Why did you help him or help them? How did you feel after that? Were you thanked by the person who helped? If yes, how did you feel? If no, how did you feel? See, when we help someone, at any cost. When they are in struggle, we feel really, 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 really happy. So that